brave souls to 50 strong. We trained, we played, we proved we belong.